What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a tugging video on the Craftsman compact blower. Now, I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used again this weekend because, well, it will get used again this weekend because I promise you this thing will get used this weekend for 2025 exactly because you can see, right at this, you can tell. Still got 4 bars in the battery, 3 bars and still left in the battery, you can see because you know I expected this thing to see because because you know I expected this thing exactly because it will get used again this weekend because I know since the fact that you see because this blower is surprising. This thing get used almost like quite a bit because you see how much is exactly this machine exactly because you can see the model you can see this is a CMCB-LZ100 and what I do like about this machine a lot because you see how much I expected this thing exactly because it's just what I expected this machine exactly because it's how I expected this machine exactly which it's definitely how much I expected this machine exactly because don't surprise this thing to get this thing takes a lot of juice with the 6-hour battery you can see because you know how I expected this thing exactly because you see how much I expected this machine exactly which I hope at some point this thing will get used again this weekend because you know how I expected this machine exactly because it will get used again this weekend. I promise this thing will get used again this weekend for Moe season because because you can see because it was used since Tuesday, right? Okay, so this thing got used since Tuesday. It was supposed to get used on Saturday and Sunday, but that did not happen, you can see, because the guy's just 99 and tall right now, you can see, so I hope at some point this thing will get used again this weekend for 2025 second, which is, it will get used again some point this weekend because you know I expected this thing exactly, but this is a pretty nice looking blow in my opinion. I hope at some point this thing will get used again on the weekends, this weekend. I'm hoping someone you can see because I hope this sale you can see, but this 6 hour is lasting for like almost like quite a bit because this thing is exactly, I do like this thing a lot because you see how much expected this thing exactly. It's definitely how much I expected this machine exactly, but don't surprise this thing that it's gonna get used almost like quite a bit because you know I expected this thing exactly because it's a really nice looking machine in my opinion. But definitely how much I expected this machine exactly you can tell because it's a very nice looking machine in my opinion. So I hope at some point this thing will get used again this weekend for 2025 exactly, which it will get used again at some point because you see how much expected this machine exactly, which don't surprise if this thing is gonna get used almost quite a bit this weekend. So I hope at some point this thing will get used this weekend. But this is a pretty nice looking machine.